Face card never D. Slash was pretty petite. Who is she like, babe? It's me. French kiss make him say we. Got them all like we. Bad face card never D. Slash was pretty petite. Who is she like, babe? It's me. French kiss make him say we. Got them all like we. She got double D's plus like 1 or 2 degrees.
If it's one thing I hate, it's see-through thin hair. We got another blind buy Amazon wig. The company's name is Tahiki Hair. I have their 26-inch 250 density Burmese curly 7x6. 7x6 is a nice medium between a frontal and a closure. We have HD lace, pre-cut, pre-pluck, combs, drawstring, and a removable elastic band. About to say blend. I bleached only the front with BW2 powder and 30 volume developer. I really just needed the front to blend in as much as possible with my skin. And it helps to keep the wig lasting a little bit longer so you're not giving it, unnecessary shedding. As long as I could put my concealer, I could make the part look defined. I think I'm going to do this going forward because especially with Amazon wigs, it gives them a chance to thrive since my last Amazon wig was shedding everywhere. I use clarifying shampoo, hydrating shampoo, and purple conditioner on the lace once I rinsed out the mixture. I put moisturizing conditioner on the length of the hair. I let it sit probably about an hour and then I rinsed it out. This hair loves water. Hydration is mandatory. You need to put a good leave-in conditioner, comb it, brush it, because you will be putting water on it often, so you want to make sure that it tangles as least as possible.
Make it flippin' and still give me what I want, or is you out here capping like them and they song? Tricking is a sport and baby you ain't gotta play. Never think it's sweet, I'm more like sour lemonade. Running down the court, but baby still ain't learned the game. Got it out the mud and ran it up off my own ties to it. Who is you? Why you crying? Girl, he treat you like a fool. He be lying while he out here doing him. Think it's time that you show him you a pimp.
Now, I did not have any problems at all with tangling or shedding. Shedding was very minimal. I'm talking the whole wig was probably less than 20 hairs. The frontal needed a little more plucking. It does say pre-pluck. I went and do a little bit more. It was a personal preference. You do not have to do that. Make sure you pick your part before you do it. Don't do too much. So we have a middle part. After washing, I always use my leave-in, which is the Carol's Daughter, and then I use heat protectant because I'm going to burn the hair up with the hot comb. I put the hair in the back in a braid so that when I take it out, it's not all dried out and it'll be easier to define the curls. So the next thing to do would be to put some concealer in the part and make this middle part straight. I don't feel like the middle part straight, and that's kind of bothering me, but I think when the concealer gets in there, it'll look a little different. You can see where the lace is, of course. This is why I would like to have an adjustable strap. The adjustable strap would pull this lace so tight. Adhesive spray. Since I cannot wear this wig glueless, I'm gonna just use a little bit of this. So we can now define these curls. I messed around, left the conditioner on a little bit over 24 hours, and not only does it smell really good, it feels so freaking good. Look at this. You see the curl definition? This hair is mildly damp, a little bit damp, very dry. Remember, you see me do the hot comb dry. And if I'm being honest, I don't think I've ever ordered a wig off of Amazon that said 250 density that was really 250 density. But I really do believe we are looking at 250 density Amazon wig.
Been flagging, haciendo dreaming, flying, catching the Benz y causando fire, no lying. Y por la noche let's dance, no crying. Yo no vendo, pero me están buying. Dijo que no he estado con ninguna MC. Casi que te creo más, juro que sí. Ven acá, muévete así. Un poquito más aleja en TMC. Un poquito más y te doy la paca, te doy los trueques, te doy los 1000. Mami del fondo, dale, ven a mí. Teach me how to touch that, how to close that, how to bust that down. Mommy, teach me how to hold that, how to tease that, how to love that down. Mommy, teach me how to touch that, how to close that, how to bust that down. Mommy, teach me how to hold that, how to tease that, how to love that down. Hot MTV and NBC, Monopoly, supremacy. So let me out it and come shake my booty. I just want some democracy.
I wrote down exactly what I want to say. Pros: density, length, curls, lace. This hair is 250. There's no lie about that. There's no lie. This hair is... I've never had a wig from Amazon that said 250 that was 250 ever. This is my first. The length, I have a 26 and I think it's perfect. The curls are beautiful. Love water. You need to put water on hair. Mandatory. It does drink up some water. Now the good thing about that is that you may not need to put a lot of product because the water is going to make the curls look just like this. The bad thing about it is you will be putting water pretty much every day. The drawstring does not pull my real hair out in the back. You know how you have those things you connect in the back? Usually they'll pull the hair at your nape. This doesn't do that. I do like that, but the drawstring is also on my con. Another pro, it does not feel heavy. All this hair, it does not feel heavy. The lace is very nice. Look at that part. All in all, my pros outweigh the cons, and I should have did cons first, but 7x6 is a con for me just because the more lace you have on a wig, the less chance you have to wear it glueless. I don't want to glue a wig down every single day. I really don't. But with this wig, I have to. Every day I've worn it, I've had to put the spray. It can't be glueless. The way that it's cut, the way it's pre-cut, it's just not possible for me. The drawstring is also a con for me because I don't feel like it pulls tight enough to be able to wear it glueless. With just the drawstring, the wig still sits up. I don't like the way it looks. I don't like the way it feels, and it just kind of drives me crazy. So even though they're both my pros and my cons, you see the dang on hair. It doesn't get much better than this. Big head friendly, small head friendly. The drawstring is nice. I just wish that they would make the elastic band, the adjustable strap. I want them because they give you really good security. Now if I could say anything else, I will buy this wig tomorrow if they come out with a 5x5. There's no 5x5. I went back and looked. I double looked. I triple looked. 5x5, I will buy it immediately. Tahiki hair, Amazon, I'm not being paid. This is my honest review. The best hair I've ever received on Amazon. Ever. I'll be back. Add more wigs, I will be back.
Start living, no boss man. So let me close that, so let me close that, so let me close that, so let me close that. supremacy. I didn't come check my booty. I just want some democracy. I am DB and NBC. Monopoly supremacy. I didn't come check my booty. I just want some democracy. I'm swagging, todo lo mío lo viven flagging, haciendo dreaming, flying.